Hello, my dear friends. I'm Rishi Gupta. I've been born and brought up in Bhopal. I've completed my schooling from Kendriya Vidyalaya number 1 Bhopal. I've achieved 80.85.2 percentage in Bhopal. I have completed my engineering in computer science and engineering from Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology. I have achieved CGPA of 76.38 in engineering. Then I have got selected in two companies, that is Infosys and TCS. I joined Infosys and I have been a system engineer in Infosys. I have worked for ERP solutions for SimCore domain, financial services and insurance. I have worked on ERP solutions, PeopleSoft HRMS, that is human resource management system. I have analyzed, designed and developed the employee variable pay compensation module. I spearheaded in development of employee base pay compensation module. I've standardized and implemented the e-job and e-profile module that want client appreciation. I have automated and configured the dependent information system for open enrollment module. I have enhanced the GUI of leave information system for vacation balance module. I have done the direct interaction with clients for in-depth analysis of the functional required document. I have been responsible for the implementation of business workflow and multiple phases of project in SDLC, so that is software development lifecycle. I have evaluated time estimates and gap analysis for the project proposal as per client requirement. I have provided the quality assurance of modules in client's Oracle PeopleSoft environment. I have conducted orientation program and mentored new inductees in the team and prepared resource work allocation program. I have been amongst the top 15 in annual appraisal with CRR rating of first, that is the second highest rating. I have developed the variable pay module, that is a custom module which resulted in eliminating manual dependency and monetary benefits of reduce the 700 man hours per year. I've received client appreciation for demonstrating outstanding commission commitment to the project. I've again worked in the project of PeopleSoft solutions for Read Elsevier, wherein I enhanced the e-performance modules and designed reporting tool, that is SQRs for performance appraisal. I've conceptualized the technical design specification of various modules. I've executed unit and integration testing on the business logic of various modules. I've been appreciated by the client for deploying all the modules within the stringent timelines. I'm amongst the top 5% in Infosys training with overall CGPA of 4.98 out of 5 with Star Infusion Award. I've completed the industrial training in West Central Railway. My methodology was analyzed and documented the implementation of optical fibers in communication systems in railways. My achievement in that project was conceived and handled the workflow involved in laying out the optical fibers in railways. My position of responsibility till now involves the member of cultural committee for the management batch of 2013-15 at NITI. I am a B school relationship coordinator for the management batch of 2000 to 2013-15 at NITI. I'm a coordinator, Rotary Club of NITI. This is an international youth leadership and community services organization. I was an organization of team events, that is team building and cultural activities at Infosys. I have been an anchor in Planet Engineers 2008 held at Lakshmi Narayan College of Technology. My awards and achievements involve certified in basic Microsoft Excel by Indian Institute of Quantitative Finance. I have completed program on overview of enterprise solution technologies, that is certifications at Infosys. In my academics achievements, I have certified certificate for the excellence for successfully completing Oracle 9i 10G course. I have an extracurricular activities of, that is winner of inter-college radio hosting competition Salam Nubs 2007 by Big 92.7 FM. I've been awarded as the best radio jockey by Big 92.7 FM in inter-college level radio hosting competition. I've successfully completed the Guru Master Chok Kok Sui Yog Vidya Advanced Pranic Healing. I've successfully completed 27th Pune International Marathon. I have been the winner in cluster level inter school table tennis competition. I have passed certificate A training of NCC with grade A. I have participated in dance competition in Srishti 2007, a state level environmental symposium. I have participated in Tech Kriti 2008 held at IIT Kanpur. I have always set smart goals in my life. I really appreciate and thankful for the POM course that provided a guideline in my routine. And I thankfully I am very thankful for Dr. Mandi to set smart goals in my life. Thank you so much, and I'm perfect for the job, and you can hire me. Thank you.